Oh yeah, now I see it. Yeah, so here I am with Elton McFall, and we got a CN Freight here at the crossing in the woods. And there's some, yeah, maintenance equipment sitting there too. Yeah, you know why? I mean, this is kind of a dangerous spot. So I got a. This is a westbound train.
How many times did I come here with Grant? I came here once. It takes like forever to see a train, a freight train. He was just telling me, like, it'd be cool to see a Citirail train. I've never seen a via Citirail train.
And he's got to go slow here because of this little crossing. The bell is going to let people know.
That's why he's ringing the bell too, because he sees that mole equipment there.
Yeah.
There's no guys there. There's no workers. The sun is still shining.
Yeah, here we are. Here comes the gates down. There's Elton McFall with me, swimming trains today here in the park. Really slow moving freight from Northern Quebec. Yeah. Yeah.
I think that train's coming from Alcan, I think.
Yeah, it is. They'll be coming from Arvida up north there.
What's it called?
Arvida.
Alvida?
Yeah, the town where they have the smelter.
What? It's Alvida you want, eh?
Yeah.
Alvida. You can have her.
That's it.
Why don't you let me go? I'll give you $100,000.
Yeah.
No, I never hurt nobody. No, you never hurt nobody.
So, what's the date today, actually?
The 9th? The 10th?
No, the 10th. The 10th of April. 10th of April, 2025. At about what time? 2:30? 3 o'clock p.m.
I don't know. It's probably 2:30. I remember filming a freight going west at the Metropolitan at that time, actually.
Yeah.
Guys, I gotta put my gloves on.
I'm gonna get away from those crazy bells and whistles. Roberval Saganay, look at that. Roberval Saganay. Awesome. You don't see Roberval and Saguenay very often. Here, you see those covered hoppers that say RS on them? That's Roberval Saganay.
Oh yeah, Roberval Saganay.
That railroad runs in Northern Quebec, where the smelters are, at Arvida and Roberval and Saguenay.
Was there a train? I don't know if it was from this train or another train. There's another train coming. Oh no, wait, there can't be too because this track becomes a single track.
Yeah, that's right. You won't see another train coming across. Yeah, we had very little light left, and like, and these kids were crossing the tracks right before the train came.
Mark my words, guys. Mark my words. I especially love the rust on the top.
I don't know. I think he'll go to the main yard at Citirail. Yeah, there's DPU there. ET44. No, this is also come from Shawinigan, probably. That's where you get all these lumber loads from.
That's funny, eh? It was coming slow. I couldn't even hear the crossing bells over. I couldn't even hear anything.
Yeah. Is that the end already?
Look at these last cars here.
Yeah.
Really? Unfortunately, my eyesight can't out. Like this one. That was a really good guess. You said 2:30. I should look at the clock. It's 2:35.